Hello again, everybody. Drew Johnson here, East Region Grain Origination Manager with Agtegra with the weekly market update. Grain market showing lack of enthusiasm for most of the week post-WASDE report, so let's get into it. On the corn side of things, corn rebounded to start the week, getting pulled higher by soybeans, but the balance of the week, the markets were under pressure. Optimism to start the week was brought on by news that China was buying U.S. soybeans, and also export inspections for corn came in at 80.9 million bushels, which brings year-to-date export inspections to 623 million bushels versus 360 million this time last year, and are currently on pace to go over the previous record of 693 million bushels set in the crop year of 2007-2008. The balance of the week was pressured because China was absent from any more purchasing of U.S. soybeans. Corn harvest in the U.S. is pegged at 91% complete versus 98% this time last year and just under the 94% 5-year average. Current support levels on the December corn is right around 4.25 to 4.19 respectively. Now on to the soybeans. The soybean market did see a quick turnaround on Monday after reports over the weekend saying China had purchased up to 330,000 metric tons of U.S. soybeans, but since then the market has drifted lower due to any further commitments from China. It was also reported that the Trump administration is considering delaying the incentives for blending domestically produced feedstocks in the biofuel policy. If realized, this will give domestic refiners the ability to import feedstocks as before with no reduction in fuel credits. Overall, the soybean market is looking to end the week where it ended last week post-WASDE report. U.S. soybean harvest is pegged at 95% complete versus 98% last year and just under the 96% 5-year average. Jan future support is right around $11.15 to $11. And now on to the wheat markets. The wheat markets fell back this week following corn and soybeans. Traders also thinking the wheat rally was a bit too much and the pullback we've seen with some profit taking as well. World views on wheat suggest a good supply, with last week's USDA WASDE report estimating world wheat ending stocks to be right around 271.43 million metric tons, and will be a cumbersome burden to move, with values being contested by strong Black Sea, Argentine, and Australian competition. Kansas City winter wheat December futures holding support right around $5, with Minneapolis spring wheat December futures holding support right around $5.70. Despite all the pullback we've seen since the report, it is worth noting that futures values are still respectively higher, specifically corn and soybeans, than they were a mere month ago. Deferred months and new crop 26 still have some pricing opportunities. To find out more on pricing strategies and to discuss future sales, please reach out to your local grain marketing specialist. We are here to help. That's what we do.